Okay, we're gonna open up this Woody Christmas ornament. Woody from Toy Story. It's from Disney Parks. I got this one at Epcot. It's hand painted, so it probably explains the packaging here. Let me cut these tape off real quick. Another one. Got it. There we go. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna pull these apart softly because it could damage it. There's the Santa hat he's wearing. It's that felt like flocking to it. Pretty amazing. Really, really nice. Let's flip him around, see what he looks like. Wow. Hand painted. Very good job. His legs and arm are loose, but his head and Santa hat are solid. That's what he looks like hanging up. So he'll be hanging off your tree or whatever. Let me walk him over here. There we go. So right here, this is the pull string. So apparently in the elden days or the older days, they played with toys like this and they were called jumping jack toys. Yeah, jumping jack toys because he's doing jumping jacks. But to me, it looks like he's doing some Olympics moves. I don't know. But, so yeah, pull the string, his arms and legs go up. Nice metal eye bolt down into the resin, so it'll be pretty strong on the tree. Pretty detailed, look at very, very detailed paint. His holster, his hands look nice. The pattern on his shirt. And there's the copyright on the foot. He even got cute little spurs. So, that's one cute ornament. Here's a closer look at it.